Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide my caller ID when calling on Android. So first of all, go for your calling option or app, then go for three dot option here, settings. Now go for here, supplementary service here, tap on it. Now go for show your caller ID, tap on never. After processed, now you can hide your caller ID or your number when calling. So yeah, that's the process. This is how you can hide your caller ID when calling on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.